Hi everyone, this is Manong once again, and I'm introducing you our Ficus Ginseng Bonsai. This is probably about 3 years now with us, so as you can see, the pot is small now, and it needs to be transplanted to a bigger one. It looks still beautiful though. This is the pot that we are going to use, and we bought this pot and Tiki Max just today. So I think it will have a better space for the roots, to have a better canopy. Look at this, it needs transplanting really. I hope it will work. It's so easy actually. All you're gonna do is just be gentle. So let's do it. Come on. There you go, done. Isn't it easy? I hope you like it. Anybody can do it anyway, so. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. I'll see you again next time. Cheers for everyone. Stay safe. Beautiful.